Hello and welcome to this video where we demonstrate the use of functions and packages. So we've seen that some of these functions are available in the basic installation of R, however others are not. For example, if I want to make a 3D plot, the function will not be available in the basic R installation. So the proper thing to do is to go to Google, search for the function you want to use. In our case it's going to be plot3d. I'm going to use the first hit. Now, using Ctrl F, we can look for plot functions or things that the word plot will come by, and I think on page 60 we have the function that we want to use, and it's called plot3d. Now, if we go to R, and I've already prepared a little data set for our 3D plot, which contains a variable called weight, which contains the weight in kilograms. So the first person has a weight of 80 kilograms, and the second person has a weight of 40 kilograms, etc. And also the length for these individuals. So the first subject has a length of 1.75 meters, and the second subject has a length of 1.6 meters. Now, we calculate the BMI for these individuals by dividing their weight by their length in meters squared. And now we have three variables, weight, length, and BMI. And we may want to apply our plot function. As we've seen in the Google hit, the function was plot3d. So we're going to apply our function plot3d to our three variables called weight, length, and BMI. And, well, basically, R gives us an error in the console stating that it could not find the function plot3d because it's not in that basic installation of R. So let's go back to our Google hit. We need to go all the way up, and we can see that the function is located in the package RGL. So in order for R to use this package, we should first install it. We can do so by going to Tools, Install Packages, and type in the name of our package, which was RGL. Say Install, and R is now going to install the package for us. After the installation is finished, you can also see that there's a different way of installing the package. You can see that by using the menu, going Tools, Install Packages, following the menu, R used the code install packages RGL. So if you know the name of your package, you can also use the function install packages and have those nice quotation marks there and enter your package name in the brackets. And R will also install your package. Now, after you've installed your package, you should still load the package into R, and you use the function library to do that. In this case, we're going to load the package RGL by running library RGL. Now we've run our library on the package, we can use the functions within the package, for example, the plot3d function. And we can now see that running the plot3d on our weight, length, and BMI variables gives us this really nice 3D plot of the involved variables. So now you're probably wondering how I know how to use the function plot3d. So you can use question mark function, so in our case, of course, the plot3d function, and it will give you the help information for that function. So in this case, it will give us the information for how to make a 3D scatter plot using this plot3d function. And you can see that the default method is plot3d x, y, z, and in arguments you can see for x, y, z, they expect vectors of points to be plotted. And in our case, the vectors were the weight, length, and BMI vectors. So more in general, you can see that under usage, they will give the function and a number of arguments that you can use. For example, xlab is an argument, and size will be an argument, and goal will be an argument. And under arguments, they explain what you can provide for information in R to make use of this argument. For example, if you want to set the color of your points, you can use the col argument. Let's just quickly do that. So we have our plot 3D going on here, and now we can add our col argument, and I know that red will be a nice color. So now maybe we should make this a bit bigger. We can see that we have red dots in our 3D plot. Okay, so to give a quick summary, most functions are located in packages. You should first install the package, then use library package for R to be able to run the functions within the package, and you can use question mark function to get help using the function.